When most people walk through an orchard in peak summer, they notice the fruits first, the soft blush of peaches hanging from branches like small suns. What they rarely notice is what's happening at ground level, at the very base of the tree. That pale, chalky coating on the trunk that looks almost too simple to matter. Yet that whitewash is one of the most underrated protective techniques in fruit farming. And in many cases, it quietly decides whether a peach tree thrives or struggles. At first glance, it feels almost too basic to be scientific. A brush, a bucket of white liquid, a few strokes around the trunk. But behind this simple action lies a long history of agricultural wisdom, refined across generations. Farmers may not have called it horticultural protection strategy, but they understood the result. Healthier trees, fewer pests, and more stable fruit production. To understand why peach trees are whitewashed, you need to imagine the tree trunk as a living skin. Just like human skin reacts to heat, sunlight, and injury, the bark of a peach tree is constantly exposed to environmental stress. During summer, especially in hot climates like South Asia, the temperature of exposed bark can rise to damaging levels. The dark surface absorbs heat, and the internal tissues expand and contract rapidly between day and night. Over time, this creates what farmers call sun scald, a silent injury that weakens the tree from the inside. Whitewash works like a natural shield. When sunlight hits a white surface, most of it is reflected instead of absorbed. By coating the trunk with a light-colored lime mixture, farmers effectively reduce the heat load on the bark. The tree stays cooler, more stable, and far less prone to cracking under thermal stress. It is not just paint, it is temperature control in its simplest form. But heat protection is only one part of the story. The real battle for a peach tree often happens in places the eye doesn't immediately notice. Tiny cracks in the bark become entry points for insects. Borers, termites, and other pests look for weak spots where they can lay eggs or feed on the soft inner layers of the tree. Once they enter, the damage is slow but devastating. The tree may look healthy for weeks, even months, while its internal structure is being compromised. Whitewash acts as a deterrent barrier. The alkaline nature of lime creates an environment that many insects avoid. It also fills small cracks and crevices, making it harder for pests to find entry points. In a sense, it doesn't just protect, it seals vulnerabilities. For a farmer, this means fewer chemical sprays later in the season and a more naturally balanced orchard ecosystem. There is also a disease control aspect that often goes unnoticed. Fungal spores thrive in warm, moist, and shaded microenvironments, especially in rough bark surfaces. When lime is applied, it creates a mildly alkaline surface that discourages fungal growth. It is not a complete cure or pesticide, but it significantly reduces the chances of infections establishing themselves on the trunk. In organic farming systems, this becomes especially valuable because it reduces dependency on synthetic treatments. However, perhaps the most underestimated benefit of whitewashing peach trees is its role in seasonal adaptation. Trees do not experience seasons the way humans do, but they respond to them biologically. Sudden changes, like a warm winter day followed by a freezing night, can confuse the tree's internal system. This fluctuation causes stress that often results in bark splitting or even long-term structural weakness. Whitewash moderates this impact. By keeping the bark temperature more stable, it reduces the shock of sudden environmental changes. Young peach trees, in particular, benefit greatly from this protection because their bark is still thin and developing. For them, whitewashing is not optional. It is almost like giving them a protective coat while they grow into maturity. What makes this practice even more fascinating is its accessibility. Unlike modern agricultural technologies that require expensive inputs or technical knowledge, whitewashing is simple, affordable, and widely adaptable. A basic mixture of lime and water can be prepared in minutes. Some farmers enhance it with copper compounds for additional fungal resistance, but even the simplest version provides meaningful protection. And yet, despite its simplicity, many growers underestimate it. There is often a misconception that if a method is not advanced or chemical heavy, it must be less effective. But whitewashing is a reminder that agriculture is not always about complexity. Sometimes it is about understanding natural principles, light reflection, temperature regulation, and biological resistance, and applying them in practical ways. In well-managed orchards, whitewashing is usually done before extreme seasonal shifts, particularly before summer intensifies or winter sets in. Farmers often combine it with pruning and fertilization schedules, making it part of a broader tree care strategy. It is not a standalone solution, but a foundational practice that supports everything else the tree receives. If you observe closely, you will notice a pattern in successful peach orchards: uniformity. Trees with clean, whitewashed trunks often show more consistent growth, fewer visible injuries, and better fruit distribution over time. It may not directly increase fruit size or sweetness, but it creates the conditions where those qualities can develop without interruption. In the end, whitewashing peach trees is less about appearance and more about resilience. It is a protective ritual that connects old agricultural knowledge with modern understanding of plant physiology. A simple coat of white lime becomes a barrier against heat, insects, disease, and environmental stress all at once. So the next time you see a peach tree with a white painted trunk standing quietly under the sun, it is worth remembering that this is not decoration. It is defense, it is prevention, and in many orchards, it is one of the silent reasons why those soft, juicy peaches ever make it safely from branch to basket.